I let AI design my next book. I didn't give it any complicated prompts. I didn't give it any detailed instructions. I basically gave it a general direction, picked a workflow, and somehow it gave me exactly what I had in my head. And that's what caught me by surprise. Because one of the harder parts about creating KDP books isn't always coming up with the idea. It's figuring out what the actual interior should look like. The style, the illustrations, the cohesiveness, how everything should come together so it feels like one complete book. And normally there's a lot of trial and error involved. With this, I'm basically choosing a workflow that's already built for the type of design that I want, giving it a little direction and seeing what it comes back with. So today I want to show you what I found, test it out on an actual KDP book, and see how much of the design guesswork it can actually realistically remove. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, before I test out this AI workflows, I want to get a better idea of what kind of book I want to create. And I know right now this axolotl coloring book is a great niche to publish in right now for KDP publishers. Now, looking through these books, already right here, a bestseller. This is a KDP book making anywhere from $1,000 to over $1,500 per month in royalties. This is the standard 8.5 by 11 inch size. Here's the bold and easy or cute and cozy type of coloring book. Also doing quite well, $400 to over $600 per month. I see this one, which to me obviously looks like it was created by AI, but is actually selling a few copies per month. This one right here, a couple $100 per month. And then a few more here that look like AI coloring books, all showing decent sales. So this one, $400 to over $600 per month. This one, $200 to almost $400 per month. This one, a couple sales per month. And so I think this is a great niche to get started with. If you're interested in following along, you can create your own axolotl coloring book in this very niche and just give it a try. Here's another one, kawaii. This one is not just axolotl, but it's also the capybara and making a couple $100 per month. And then this one right here, an axolotl, shark, and capybara coloring book, a couple $100 per month. So definitely steady demand. And a lot of examples of KDP books currently selling in this niche. I think this is the niche that we're going to go with and have AI design this entire book for me. Now, looking at some interiors, I mean, it doesn't look that great. It looks like a earlier version of AI created this. I mean, you can tell the lines, they're not the same type. They're not even the same thickness. And then if you get right here, I mean, you got this axolotl doing some type of winking face. And so this obviously was created with AI. Another thing to note is they do make use of the bleed through page here just by giving some cool facts about axolotls, which is a great way to use dead space. And then here is another page of this book. This book is a bestseller in this niche, and it's doing so with this type of interior. Here's another example. This is that bold and easy, cute and cozy style. So this is going to have those thick lines. Now, this one's kind of cool because it's also that cute and cozy style. The theme is inside of a house, axolotl hanging out, reading a book. So there's a vibe to this type of page. Here's another one. Looks a little bit different than the previous page. The lines are a little bit thicker here. And this is just one of those basic types of illustrations. Here's another one in space. And then here's another one right here. And all of these have this nice border around the page, so it makes it a little bit more cohesive. Now here's another example. This one has a little bit thinner lines, a little cleaner design. The illustration is actually, I think, a little bit better. This one is an axolotl on the beach, another fact page. And then here is an axolotl in a chocolate factory. So this is kind of giving me an idea of the type of theme or illustrations that I could create. Here's another one right here, pyramids. Looks like Indiana Jones style. Here's another one like Vikings. And then this one right here. And here's one that looks like in the city in some sort of subway station. So after seeing the book and some of the interior designs, the obvious question is, how am I going to get these results without writing these huge complicated prompts? And that's where Kittl comes in. They have this feature called AI Workflows. So instead of starting from a blank prompt box, You choose a workflow built for the type of result that you want. Give it your basic idea or design, choose a few options, and let it handle the rest. For my workflow, I'm using it to create the actual interior style and artwork for the book, but as we go through the tutorial, I'll show you some of the other workflows available for things like product mockups and promotional assets, especially if you're creating print-on-demand products. But first, let me show you exactly how I created this book. Now I'm inside of Kittl, and where this AI workflows is actually just right here. You can see start a workflow, and there's actually a bunch of sections here. So for UGC videos, if you're interested in that, however, we're doing KDP books, so we actually have to look around for this, merchandise, product visuals for things like t-shirts, print-on-demand mugs, product listing videos, marketing videos, mock-ups, branding, as well as tools. Now I was searching around here trying to find something for KDP, and here under merchandise, when I view all the way on the bottom where I'm actually covering is right here, create a coloring book line art. So clicking on that brings me to this page right here. Let me move myself back. And right away, I see a couple styles here, but the first thing is to describe your topic. So I guess this is where we're gonna go ahead and just type in axolotl. Now I just don't want axolotl. I came up with an idea of doing axolotls in different cities. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with that, axolotl in France. And then for the style, let's go ahead and do this bold outline right here. And then on the bottom here, I can choose to do 1 image, 2 images, 3 images, or 4. So let's go ahead and do 3 images. So that's gonna be 3 variations. That's gonna cost 45 credits. As you can see, I do have credits here. I am on the expert plan. Now let's go ahead and generate these images. It's gonna take about 50 seconds, it says right here. So I'll come back to you once this is complete. And now it's done. And so for the first image here, we have a few axolotls, but right away, you know this is in France. Here is the Eiffel Tower. You have your bread, your baguettes, your croissants, and also the river right here. So I think it actually looks pretty good. And you notice I didn't do anything here other than describe my topic and pick a style. The next one right here, just another variation, also looks pretty good. I don't think you can go wrong with any of these choices. Here's one. This one's a little bit much in terms of how many axolotls are actually playing around here, but the line style is actually really, really good. When I look at the design, it looks very good, no breaks, and the axolotls actually look like they're doing something realistic. Now there are a few options here that I can see. I can remove the background, I can vectorize this, and I can also upscale, which is very important when you're doing KDP interiors. Now let's go ahead and instead of France, let's go ahead and try a different city. So let's do New York City, and let's do just 2 images now, and this is gonna cost 30 credits. Let's go ahead and let that work. And then at the same time, let's go ahead and choose a different city. Let's do India, generate 2, and then let's go ahead and do Antarctica. Let's go ahead and generate those 2. And let's go ahead and do one more here, Arizona. And let's go ahead and wait for all these to generate, and I'll be back once it's complete. So here are the next 2 in New York City. As you can see, the axolotls hanging out, even has those tourist hats, Statue of Liberty, Brooklyn Bridge, the city skyline in the back, and it's kind of merged inside of the park. And so I think this is actually very, very creative. I think this is a great idea for an axolotl coloring book. The variation here, so a little bit similar. You have your pretzel, you have your drink, your pigeons here, which you all know is very, very New York. And then let's go to the next one here. So this one is in India. And as you can see, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Basically, what I have in my head is actually doing that. Now, there are a couple things that I would change. So for example, it's always bringing out 3, 4, 5 axolotls. So I could probably change that here so that it only does 1 axolotl. But in terms of the actual theme in India, this looks very, very great. Now, the next one right here is Antarctica. And as you can see, here are the mountains in the back, the ice caps, the penguins, the seal, And here's the variation of that. I think this one actually looks better. You have your axolotl here drinking water, and then you have your penguins in the background. Now, the last example that I did was in Arizona, and it totally looks like it's Arizona. You have your cactus in the background with your mountain. Now, it's a little bit interesting here because it should be in a desert landscape, but since we're doing axolotls, it's kind of merged it with a pond here or with water. And I think that's the great thing about this type of book is that you can be really creative with it. And so you can merge different types of landscapes with axolotls. Now let's go ahead and try one more test. So I want to do just one axolotl. So I'm going to do one axolotl. We're going to do one axolotl in space station. Let's go see how this turns out. And here it is. So you can see the stars and the planets in the background here through this window. And inside of the space station, you got this axolotl. Now it's only one because that's what I put, only one axolotl, which is great to see. And then this one right here, another version inside of his room. And so I'm really, really happy with these results. I didn't have to play around with the prompts. I only had to describe my topic, and I can see just how creative I can be here with my topics with this AI workflow, knowing exactly what I want. It already knows kind of the styling that I'm looking for. I only basically said the city, and it's already creating these results exactly what I want, which is really insane to me. Now, I will say when you're downloading these, you can go edit here. You can upscale this, but what I think is better is that when you actually download this, you go ahead and choose 3x. Now, when you download it in 3x, you're gonna be able to keep all of these lines nice, crisp, and clear. Now, if you are interested in other print-on-demand products, this can actually do that. So if we go ahead and do product listing videos here, let's go ahead and choose this one right here. This is called rotate left and right. So I just grabbed this random image from online, and I was just gonna try this rotate left here. Now it is 200 credits, so just keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and give that a try. It's gonna take 3 minutes to process this video. So I will be back once this is complete. Now, actually, while this is working, we can go ahead and look at some other things here. So if you're interested in t-shirt designs, there's a bunch of mock-ups here. So if we take this one, it's a back print mock-up. Let's go ahead and choose a design here. I'm gonna just choose this Highland Cow Club that I already have here, use this image, and we're gonna go ahead and do a tank top and a product color. We're gonna go ahead and go with a white, or yeah, let's go ahead and do white. Describe your model, optional, not gonna do that. And let's go ahead and do the market here. Let's go ahead and generate this, 50 seconds. And there it is. I think that looks pretty good. This is very easy to download. Once again, you can edit this, you can upscale it. Now going back to that rotate left and right, as you can see from my one product image that I got online, it went ahead and created this rotate video. So that's probably the biggest thing I like about workflows. There's just less guessing. I can take a book design or product idea, choose the type of finished asset that I need, and get something usable without building everything from scratch. If you want to try Kittl AI Workflows for yourself, use code WORKFLOWS to get 50% off all annual plans. I'll leave the link down below. And just so you know, every Kittl user can try workflows, including free accounts. So you can test it out first and see how it fits your own process. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.